How to activate your Bank of America credit card. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Over here you will find this search box. Just tap on it and type in over there activate Bank of America credit card and search for it. Now click on this very first website option, activating your credit card. Open it. With that you will land to this kind of interface, activating your credit card. Already have an online ID, new to online and banking. In order to activate your credit card, you have to enroll to online and mobile banking. So if you have already opened it, you can choose this one option. But if you haven't enrolled to online banking, you can click on this option of new to online and mobile banking. So I'm going to choose the second option. Click on get started. Now you have to register for online and mobile banking. For that you have to fill these. Type in card or account number and then social security number. In the case you don't have social security number or tax ID number, you can click on this one option to get it. After you fill these, click on the option of continue, and with that your account will be created. And after you create your account, you can log into it. After logging in, you will see the section for credit card. Just tap on it and you will see the option of activate. Just tap on that option and with that you will be good to go. So this was all for this video. This is how you can activate your Bank of America credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.